What really happens to your body if you take cold showers every day? Stage 1. The shock when cold water hits your skin, blood vessels tighten, breathing speeds up, and your nervous system switches on. It feels intense, but it's a normal survival response. Stage 2. Wake-up circulation. As your body adapts, blood moves toward vital organs. When you warm up afterward, circulation improves, leaving you feeling more alert and awake. Stage 3. Skin protection. Unlike hot water, cold water doesn't strip natural oils. This helps protect the skin barrier and may reduce dryness and irritation over time. Stage 4. Muscle recovery. Cold exposure can briefly reduce inflammation, which is why athletes use it to ease muscle soreness after workouts. Stage 5. Stress resilience. Regular cold exposure trains your body to handle stress better, which may improve mood and mental control. Cold showers aren't a cure-all and aren't for everyone, especially those with heart conditions. But when done safely, they can support circulation, skin health, and alertness. Do you take cold showers? Comment below.